Alright y'all, so today me and Mike are replacing the valve body in the transmission. We got another transmission over here pulled out and pulled apart. We're taking the valve body off of it right now.
These are all, you got two 10 millimeters here. Get the 10 millimeters. I think this. Ready to come off. Have to do.
Paper gas. You got a new gasket, don't you?
Yeah, let's make sure we got the right one.
It goes on there like this. So your other gasket just needs to line up.
Prying it out of here is this big hole right here. That's what was holding it.
Should say something about
Yeah, I'll just wipe it off.
just like that. That's how it should.
Yeah.
Put this one on. I just want to set this to it and see what we're missing. If we're missing any holes. This is the only thing that's different, I think, is this.
Yeah.
Even that's. So that would go there. That would line up there, just like that. So they're still exposed. It's just got a different shape.
Yes.
Different shape right in this little area here.
All right, so we got the valve body off. Now, this right here is, we'll have to oil that O-ring there.
Take you guys in here with me.
Definitely have to move her.
So we're just gonna give this a quick little. Alright, there's a couple I'm gonna have to get with the wrench. Hey, can you get me a 10 millimeter ratchet wrench? And try to get these off here. That guys, I'm in like Flynn. This right here is your transmission filter. We're gonna pull this out. Hey, don't do that yet.
Put this in here.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Oh God. Then that's gonna drain a little bit. Well, not as much as I thought. Never mind. That wire was barely plugged in, or barely tight. Yeah. Get this thing out of here.
Yeah, I think you gotta take it both all the way out.
It is.
Not. Let's go look at what truck that you got it, didn't you?
I guess the clip was on the bottom side. I guess I just reached up my finger on the bottom. And...
Yeah. All right. So this valve body,
yeah,
all you gotta do is pry it.
It should just fall right
and I'll
out.
catch it.
I want that gasket.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're interrupting the video today to tell you about our newest giveaway, which is this 8-tool combo kit, 18-volt Ryobi set. And it comes with everything in here. This is over $1,200 value if you were to buy it all separate, and the giveaway is completely free to enter. All you got to do is subscribe to our channel and comment down below on any video from March 1st until May 31st, and then the winner will be announced on June 7th. Also, there's a link down below to our merch, so if y'all want some of that, then go get you some. It's real comfortable and real warm. So good day, good luck, and God bless, and back to the video.
The short ones. One goes here. What? No,
Right
there's a
here.
10 millimeter right there. And a 10 millimeter right here.
8mm. And then all these long 8mm go down the side. One here. No, that's gotta be right. Shorter than that one. And a little longer. I bet this is it right here. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Okay, kill. Okay, so. What we forgot to mention earlier about why we're changing this out. So basically, when you first crank up this truck, you have to let it run for 10 minutes to warm up, or else every time you go to put it in gear, it will shut itself off like the torque converter's locking up. So we're changing this out to hopefully fix that issue.
Yeah, it works good.
I was about to say, whenever you hook off and hesitate or nothing, shift shifting from one gear to another.
Ford 60 is delayed going into gear, and sometimes it will lock down. You put it in reverse, and then it kills the engine like you just dropped a clutch. I Googled on YouTube and found out that the valve body goes bad. And what I did is I got another used transmission. I used the valve body, changed valve bodies in this transmission, and now it's shifting like it's supposed to. And thank you for watching.